Welcome to PPK Pharma Tutorial YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about factors which are influencing the solubility of drugs. Okay, we will see the different factors which influence solubility. Before going to this video, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial and share this video to your friends. This will be useful during exam period for your preparation. Now we'll go to the inside this video, that is the first factor which influencing the solubility of drug is temperature. If temperature increases, solubility of drugs also increases. So we can say solubility is directly proportional to the temperature. But sometimes the solubility decreases with increase in temperature. They have two reasons. In first statement we can say temperature increases, solubility increases. But sometimes in some exemption is there, in that solubility decreases with increase in temperature. And also in exothermic reaction is inversely proportional to the solubility. Okay. Second factor is nature of solvent. Polarity of solute and the polarity of solvent affect the solubility. You wonder that how it affects. Example, if polar solvent dissolve in a polar solute, then the solubility will be more. And also non-polar solvent dissolve in a non-polar solute, then also solubility will be more. But when the combination of polar and non-polar, the solubility will be decreased. Okay. Next, effect of pressure. When gases dissolved in liquids, pressure plays a major role. Means since we dissolve a gas in a liquid, there will be a pressure which plays a major role. Solubility of gases is increased by increasing the pressure. That means if we increase the pressure, solubility of gases will be increased. Okay. Example, when CO2 dissolves in liquid for effervescent preparation under pressure. Okay. So CO2 gas is dissolved into a liquid for production of effervescence. This dissolvent process undergoes under high pressure. Okay. Next, pH. pH for non-ionizing substances solubilities is enhanced by dipole moment. Means if I assume that a substance which is non-ionizing, then its solubility is purely depends on by dipole moment. So pH has a little effect on non-ionizing substance. Okay, pH will not show a major effect on non-ionizing substance, but in case of ionizing substance, the pH depends on Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Okay, in non-ionizing, pH do not show any effect, but for in case of ionizing substances, pH will depends on Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Here you can see the two graphs. Here graph A and graph B, where graph A is pH of weak acid and graph B is pH of weak base. In this graph, pH is taken on x-axis and solubility is taken on y-axis. The graph for weak acid is, you can see the solubility increases, whereas graph for weak base solubility decreases. Thus, pH plays a major role in the solubility of the drug. The next factor is particle size. Particle size decreases, the solubility will be increases because increase in the surface area. Since the surface area increases, solubility of a particular drug will be increased automatically. However, after some time, decrease in the particle size means if, but after certain limit, if you decrease the particle size, the it may affect or decrease the solubility because due to the formation of agglomeration. Due to formation of agglomeration, solubility of very small particles affects. Okay, next, crystalline structure. Amorphous form of drugs is more soluble than crystalline forms. Okay, next we can say amorphous forms. If the drug is in amorphous form, then it is more soluble. It can be easily soluble when compared with crystalline form. The solubility of hydrates is more than anhydrates and it is more than solvents. Here you can see the greater than Next, molecular structure. The change in molecular structure strongly affect the solubility of compound. Let us assume that if you change the molecular structure of a particular compound, it affects the solubility of the compound. How it affects means, if we introduce a hydrophilic group into a hydrophilic substance, may improve the solubility. Let us assume that we contain a substance which is in hydrophilic in nature. If additionally we add hydrophilic group, then it improves the solubility of the particular substance. The next factor is which affect the solubility of drug is solute solvent interactions. The relationship between solute and solvent is very important in determining the solubility. There will be, when there is a strong solute solvent interactions, then the greater the solubility. Let us assume that when there is a strong interactions between solute and solvent, then solubility will automatically increase. When there is a weak solute solvent interactions, then they have the weaker solubility. Okay, this is how solute solvent interactions affect the solubility of the particular drug. Next, we will see the how chemical reaction affects the solubility of drug. Chemical reaction between a gas and a solvent greatly increases the solubility of the gas in a particular solvent. Let's assume that there is a reaction between particular gas and a solvent. So this reaction increases the solubility of gas in a solvent. Let us assume there is a HCl gas in water. There is a hydrogen bonding when dissolved in water. See, so this reaction plays a major role in the solubility of HCl gas in a particular water. Next, effect of complex formation. The apparent solubility of some drugs in a liquid may be increased or decreased by addition of substance that forms a complex which is either more or less soluble. Means the solubility of some drugs in a particular liquid may be increased or decreased when when we add a substance which forms a complex. Okay, these complex may be, this substance may be more or less soluble. So the solubility of complex determines the apparent change in the solubility of the original solute. That means we can say the solubility of the complex is, after adding the complex, there will be change in the solubility of original solute. Let us assume that iodine with povidone, means since we add only iodine to the water, there will be a less soluble. But when there is a combination of iodine with povidone, then there will be a formation of povidone iodine complex. This complex is easily soluble in water. That's why we have the combination povidone iodine ointments, solutions, etc. Okay, these are the factors which affect the solubility of the drug. If you, these the overall factors. If you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Prepare well for your exams. Bharat Mata ki Jai.